Hello everybody, this is Cartoon Maniac 123. Today I'm doing another food review, and today I'm at Subway in Buckshaw Village, and I got the requested food. I will give you a shout out in the description when I remember, sorry. But I did get the meatball sub. So here it is, so let's have a look. Look at that. So I got the meatball sub, obviously, and I got it with honey and nut bread with tomato sauce, normal cheese, not it toasted, and lettuce and cucumbers. So I'm going to take a bite out of it and review it out of 10. I'm so hyped for this. Hang on a second, I didn't even get anything yet. There we go. I'm dropping my toppings. That is really good, hold on. Hang on. Let me take another bite out of it. Okay, that is absolutely amazing. You have the meatballs on there. It was American style cheese, which is quite nice. The lettuce and cucumber I just added for the same price. He didn't charge me any extra. That is really nice. And the honey and nut bread, it's quite soft, so that is really good. So oh, and I also got a bottle of water as well. So this meatball sub, it's getting a 10 because the bread's really nice, the meatballs are really meaty. Yeah, it is a bit windy. And I added ketchup on there as well. The American style cheese is not too cheesy for me. I'm not a big fan of American style cheese, but this cheese is just right, and the bread is really good. I'm glad I picked that flavour. So yeah, you've been watching Cartoon Maniac 123. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and of course always stay gaming, guys. Bye, and let me know what you want me to do in the next food review. Bye.